Welcome back everyone to the channel. So I made a video earlier on my C8 Corvette showing how I had an issue with this bumper not being installed properly. This doesn't look right to me, and I could easily pull this liner away to expose the exhaust back there. I can easily move this bumper around. Look. And the reason why I had an issue with the bumper is because I had to have this part replaced. So the entire bumper was removed, but unfortunately the very first body shop that I took the car to didn't put all the hardware back, so it wasn't installed properly. So for example, as I showed on the last video, it was missing this piece right here. So finally I got that in, and you may recall on that video I also showed you how this bumper was missing all of these screws here. So I got those installed by the dealership. Okay, so that's good. So now it's solid. You may remember the last time it just moved around like crazy, but it's solid. Can't move it at all. So that's the good news. The bad news though is that when they went to reinstall the bumper, they realized that it's missing a part right here. So back here there would be a, I guess you would call it a diffuser. It covers this muffler, and so it spans the entire width of the rear. It's like a diffuser that goes underneath, bolts up to here. So that's what's missing.
Okay, so looking from underneath the vehicle, this will give you a better picture of the part that I'm missing. This is the part right here. It stretches from one side of the vehicle all the way to the other, and it partially covers the muffler.
So the first body shop didn't attach it back on the vehicle when I went to pick it up, which is kind of unfortunate. So I'm waiting for that part. That part is actually around $500 if you can believe it, and it's going to take about a week to have that come in. I did reach out to the first body shop to ask them about that part if they have it lying around. They said they couldn't find it, and they apologized that they didn't put it back on the car, but they said they're going to go ahead and order it for me. But still. Now also on that video that I made, I showed the exhaust on the car and how it was making this rattling noise. And I posted a video earlier today with the exhaust, and it does sound a lot better. I can still hear a little bit of rattling noise coming from the exhaust, and I believe it might have something to do with that last piece that I'm missing, because there's still some pieces that are kind of loose. Like this is going to be all bolted together, and I think that's going to eliminate any movement. I wonder if this license plate has anything to do with it, because it does rattle around a little bit. Maybe I'll screw that down. But the exhaust does sound a whole lot better. Alright, so well, one more week and I'll have this thing fully completed. Okay, well that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you on the next one.